But in Ukrainian in the 19th century, the word Moskal means soldier. But why does the word Moskal mean soldier? Because conscription in Russia in the 19th century was a 20-year affair. That is, when you got conscripted into the army, sayonara. That is, you're gone. That is, your mom will kiss you goodbye and never see you again. The idea that someone is going to return from military service, almost unheard of. And those who do return, by then they've become something completely different. They are not recognizably what they were when they left. Because 20 years of military service will do that to you. It will turn you into a Moskal. A Moskal in that other sense, a Muscovite. Someone who is, of course, by now, after 20 years of service in the Russian military, you're Russian-speaking. When you left the village, you weren't, but now you are. Right? And you behave like a soldier. Behaving like a soldier can mean various things. It could mean drinking too much and chasing women, or it can mean you behave like a pan, right? That is, that you have too much, you think a little too much of yourself, a little too high. And so this Moskal word is a word of opprobrium in the Ukrainian vocabulary in the 19th century. And that's important to understand, because when Shevchenko writes to Lizohub and says, Ya Moskal, sorry, that means something. That is, I've become something different. I've been transformed into something I wasn't before.